In this big 2026, some of you don't know how to run TikTok ads, and you're a business owner. You're complaining about low sales. Nobody's buying your product, no views. You're not growing, but you don't know that if you run adverts, you can actually grow fast without even spending much money. Come closer. I'm here to help you. This video is a step-by-step tutorial. I'll show you how to run TikTok ads the right way. Those of you that go to TikTok app and click on boost post, that is not running TikTok ads. I want to show you exactly how you can run TikTok ads that will actually bring sales for you. If it's sales you want, if it's views you want, it will give you views. If it's followers, anything, step by step. So the only thing I need you to do right now is to watch this video till the end. Like this video, share it on your WhatsApp status, invite your friends to watch, and let's get started step by step. First thing you need to do now is to go to your browser and type ads.tiktok.com. ads.tiktok.com. It's going to bring you to a place that is called TikTok Ads Manager. That is where smart people run TikTok ads from, not from the app, because you have all the options to edit your app, edit your ad, your campaign, put it the way you want. It will give you options that you will not see on the app. So go to your browser right now, put your browser on desktop mode or use a laptop and go to ads.tiktok.com. Now you'll be asked to log in with your TikTok account, your TikTok login details. Automatically, if you have a TikTok account, you already have an ads account. So they will give you an ads account with your TikTok handle as the name of the ad account. Is that clear? Next thing, TikTok will ask you to complete some information about your business so that they can know that you are legit, like your physical address. If you don't have an address for your business, use your home address as physical address, right? Put your currency, which is Naira for me. Your currency, I don't know where you are. Put your currency, put the name of your business, any other information that TikTok will ask you to input on the app. Now, once you're done, you're going to see a full home screen. Look around the side, you see a button that says click to see the full features. Once you click on that, you're going to see everything full. If you try to run ads without clicking on that thing, you're not going to see all the features that you need to run the ad. In fact, everything I'm doing will be sounding like Chinese for you because you can't see what I'm talking about on your dashboard. So once you click on see full dashboard, you see the main TikTok Ads Manager interface. Inside the dashboard, you see sections like campaign, tools, assets, analytics, billings, and settings. So don't feel overwhelmed. You just need a few things. The first thing you need to do is to click on campaign, right? Once you're done clicking on campaign, you're going to be asked to create. Click on create. This is where you can create your first TikTok ad campaign. Now, TikTok will ask you for your campaign objective. This is what you want from your ad, the results you want. And there are some options here, right? You pick the one that suits what you want based on your goal. So if you want people to visit your website, you can choose traffic. If you want purchases, you can choose website conversions. For me, I want people to visit my page and follow my page. So I'm going to choose community. Once you click on that, give your campaign a clear name. Now you can give it a name based on the product that you are trying to sell. The next thing is to put your campaign budget, right? You can start with as low as 2,000 Naira per day. So if you're just starting for the first time, put a test budget so that you can see and test how the ad is going to perform. Then you're going to click on next, move to the ad group section. This is where you choose audience targeting, placement, schedule, and optimization settings. So you are in the ad group. Now you select your audience location. You can choose the location where you want your ads to show. Select the age range, select gender if necessary, select language and interest. But for beginners, I would advise you to keep it simple. Allow TikTok to choose an audience for you. The next is to choose your placement. Where do you want your ad to show? Then you select TikTok feed or stories or where you want your ad to show. The next thing is to choose your optimization event. So if you selected conversions, TikTok may ask you what do you want to optimize for. Purchase, add to cart. But for us, they will ask us whether we want profile visits or profile followers. And of course, we want profile followers. The next stage is to move to the creative section. This is where you put the creative that will show on your ad. But before we move on to that section, let me quickly share a tool that can be useful for marketers, agencies, and business owners for managing multiple accounts. One platform that I've been exploring recently is multi-login cloud phones. Multi-login cloud phones gives you access to real Android devices hosted in the cloud that you can control directly from your desktop. Each cloud phone runs on a genuine Android operating system and includes authentic hardware identifiers such as IMEI, Android ID, and MAC address, allowing each device to function as its own complete mobile environment, similar to a physical Android phone. I have different options of Android phones like Samsung, Itel, Tecno, and all of that. So for marketers and agencies that are handling several accounts or using mobile first operations, this creates a cleaner and more organized workflow with no risks of getting banned or losing accounts that you manage. Another useful feature is that the apps, storage, cache, and login sessions remain available between each session, so your environment stays consistent over time. So if you'd like to explore it, you can get a 3-day trial for £1.99 or get started with the Pro plan for just £5 per month. I'll leave the link in the description below. Now let's continue. Because your creative is one of the biggest factors that determines results, you need to use a very good creative. I will recommend a very catchy, convincing video. So you click on upload video and select the video you want to use. Choose a strong thumbnail if you see the option to use a thumbnail. Then add your primary text, which is the text that people will see alongside the ad. It's also called your caption or your copy. Keep it clear, keep it focused on the benefits of whatever that you are selling. So next thing is you add your headline, what people are going to see beside the call to action button. Headlines like shop now, learn more, sign up, apply now, contact us. Pick the one that matches your goal. Now let's talk about TikTok Pixel. I'm going to do a whole video about this. If you want it, just comment Pixel. This is what you can use to track what is happening through the TikTok ad. So if you're sending traffic to a website, you need to install Pixel so that TikTok can track how many people are visiting your website, how many people have clicked on your link, how many people have bought from you. You need to install it on your website. And if you need a full detailed video about it, just let me know in the comment section and I will do just that. So once everything is ready, review everything that you have put in carefully and then click on publish. Once you click on publish, your ad will go into review, and once it's approved, it will begin running immediately. One thing you'll be asked to do is to fund your ad account. When you go to payment settings, you can click on add fund, and the minimum you can add is 15,000 naira to add here. Unlike on the app where you can use coins to pay, here you can pay with your card. But the issue is that because it's an international payment, your Naira card may not go through. You might need to get a dollar card, and I'll put a video in the description where how you can get a free dollar card from Gray so that you can pay for your TikTok ads. So the minimum is 15,000 and they'll charge you a VAT of 1,125 naira. So you're paying a total of 16,125 naira. Please allow your campaign to have enough time to gather data before you make any major decisions. Don't rush and be editing your ads in 5 minutes or 1 hour because it's not giving you results. Allow it to last for at least 24 hours before you can check and see whether it's giving you the results that you want. Check your landing page. Make sure that everything is working before you set up your ad. So let's summarize the entire process again. Step 1, go to ads.tiktok.com, log in with your ads, your TikTok account. Put in your details about yourself, your name, your location, your brand name, and all of those things, your billing address, make payments, click on campaign, click on create, go to ad group, select the placements, the location, the audience, the kind of objective that you want, then go to ad, put your creative there. You can also use an existing TikTok post too, depending on if the post qualifies to be promoted. And then you click on publish, your ad going to review. If it's approved, of course, TikTok ads works like any other platform. There are ads that they don't approve, ads that promise unrealistic things, ads that are not true, before and after transformations, unrealistic stuff, and things that are not true. Your ad will not be approved. So make sure that you're giving something that is legit. And once you're done, your TikTok ad is live and you are good to go. You can just come back to this dashboard and be monitoring your ad or be adding money if necessary. So if you need me to explain anything in more details, just comment whatever that is. And if you want to check out these multi-login cloud phones that I just talked about, which will help you to manage multiple accounts, whether TikTok, Facebook, any other app, multiple accounts without getting banned, losing your number, getting suspended and all of that, you should definitely try this out, especially if you're a social media manager, marketer, freelancer, you're an agency. You need to get this. This is an investment that will save you lots of money, time, and explanations. So I'll put the link in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye.